was born on Monday, 12 Rabiul Awwal 20 April 571 and in the holy city Makkah in name of his father Abdullah and his mother Amina. After his mother Amina died, he was raised by grandfather Abdul Muttalib and uncle Abu Talib. He was brought up with care and was very generous from a young age. He was an horseman at the age 25, married a woman named Khadija. From that time on, the Prophet entered the cave of Mount Hira in Makkah in Mediterranean. At the age of 40, he discovered the truth and our beloved Prophet Muhammad passed away at the age 63. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.